Okay, this is the introduction to Maths Apps for 2012, and we're just running through the stuff that we did in class as well. As you know, the course is graded 8 A+ to E at the end of the year, and it's made up of 3 components: exams, folio, and SATs, which are tests. Now, in the first semester, you have 2 tests of stats and 1 test of shares, because the 2 topics we do are statistics and share investments. We have a folio, or 2 folios, and a folio is just like a project. We have 1 on stats and 1 on shares, and then there's an exam, which is worth 15% of your final mark, and that just covers stats and shares. So that's the first semester, finishes around June. Then we go into semester 2, and once again we have 3 tests for semester 2. Maths and small business, we have 2 of them, and 1 bigger test, investments and loans. We have 2 folios, once again 2 projects, 1 in maths and small business and 1 in investments and loans, and then of course we have an exam, 15% on the last 2 topics. So you can see that's how they make up all the marks. So if you want to know how many summative tasks you've got next year, you've got 6 tests, 4 projects and 2 exams. So the overall weightings look like this. Tests are worth 30%, folios are worth 40%, and exams are worth 30%. So that adds up to 100%, and exams are our external component. So when you have a look at the pie chart there, you see the folios are the biggest part, so therefore that's where you should be putting most of your energies, and it's also where you can demonstrate your understanding of the maths really well. The exams are only on the semester's work. So semester 1 exam is completely separate from semester 2. So once you've done semester 1, you don't have to think about it anymore. They go for 1.5 hours. Your mid-year exam's in June, and your end of year exam is in the first week of exam, so it's probably early November is when they'd be there. They're externally set and are marked exactly like any other exam in year 12. Our work is moderated, probably slightly different from what happened last year, which means that all our schoolwork goes off to a group of people that moderate my marking, so they make sure that my marking is accurate. It's a process that ensures across the state that all the standards are consistent, so an A in our school is the same as an A in any other school. Your exams are marked twice, and by going through the moderation process, it means that your schoolwork is marked twice, so that kind of ensures the integrity of the final mark. Next year we'll be using OneNote as our major area of delivery of everything. So you'll be given a whole OneNote package at the beginning of next year, which will have all your term work in it. May have the whole year's work. I don't know yet how far we get, but it will have the term work, which you can then add to and put your own pages in. So part of your homework over the holidays is to actually learn how to use OneNote. We also have everything linked together off a couple of websites. All the classes are on YouTube, so you can watch them at any stage. And we'll have lectures, which is like someone standing out the front and talking like a normal class. And we'll have small group work. And all our work will be delivered through a website, which is the Maths Apps website, which you'll be invited to because it's a closed site. It runs kind of parallel with the school system, but you can access it from anywhere on any device.